Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace cabin air filter in Nissan Sentra. First of all, open the glove box and you will see two hooks, one on the right side and one on the left side, right here. So what we'll need to do is to pull the side to the right and to the left. In this case, you have to do it simultaneously, and then you'll be able to open this glove box. And this is how these hooks look like. Inside you will see this cover right here. This is where we have our cabin air filter. To open this cover you have to pull this tab towards yourself and it will come off. We have two small hooks on the right side and this type of hook on the left. To open it you have to pull it this way. The easiest way to remove this filter, because it may be tight, as you guys can see, is to press on two sides. Press it inside like this. It will bend on the inside and you'll be able to pull it out easily. And here it is, our cabin air filter. This is how our cabin air filter looks like. It's quite dirty, as you guys can see. You can see the areas how the dust traveled inside the system. The vehicle has around 30,000 kilometers and definitely it needs to be replaced. We see some chunks, leaves, some debris. And besides that, you will see the part number here. So if you want to get a new one, this will be the part number. And also guys, it also shows us the airflow. In this vehicle it flows from top to the bottom, which is indicated by this arrow, so do not install it upside down like this. The arrow should be facing down. Insert the filter into the opening, push it all the way. Now I'm going to install the plastic cover. The two hooks or claws on the right will go in, and then to install the left side, again it's not going to be easy if you simply push it. You have to bend this tab towards yourself and then it will snap back in place. The easiest way to close the glove box, because it has quite long plastic hooks, is to press in the middle here, so the left side will go in right. But when you press in the middle, this will allow the right side, the right hook, to get back into place and close the glove box.